Step into a world where the sun-kissed sand meets the endless horizon, where the rhythmic waves whisper secrets to your soul. The beach is not just a place, it's a transcendent experience that ignites a profound sense of joy, freedom, and peace within you. As you wander along the shoreline, the gentle caress of the ocean breeze envelopes you, carrying away the weight of the world and leaving you feeling weightless. With each step, the soft grains of sand massage your feet, grounding you in the present moment and awakening a sense of pure bliss. The beach holds the power to unlock the gates of joy within your heart. It is a sanctuary where laughter dances in the air, where children build castles of dreams, and where friends create memories that last a lifetime. The sound of laughter mingles with the crashing waves, creating a symphony of happiness that resonates deep within your being. In this vast expanse of nature's beauty, you find a profound sense of freedom. The vastness of the ocean stretches out before you, reminding you of the boundless possibilities that life holds. As you dive into the crystal-clear waters, you become one with the waves, surrendering to the ebb and flow of life itself. The beach liberates your spirit, allowing you to embrace the exhilarating sensation of breaking free from the constraints of everyday life. Yet, amidst the joyful chaos, the beach also offers a haven of tranquility. As you sit on the shore, watching the sun paint the sky with hues of gold and pink, a serene calm washes over you. The rhythmic lullaby of the waves invites you to surrender to a state of inner peace. In this moment, time stands still, and the worries of the world fade away. The beach becomes a sanctuary for your weary soul, a place where you can find solace and reconnect with your true self.